Your Excellency, the special guest of honor, very senior officers, both serving and retired, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Next is the laying of ceremonial wreaths in honor of our dearly departed late Chief of Army Staff. May I request the wreath bearers to please take post for the wreath laying ceremony. The wreath bearers, please. While we get set to lay wreaths, may I inform this solemn audience, as part of activities lined up for this solemn occasion, there would be firing of gun salute. At the sound of gunshots, dignitaries are please requested not to panic. Adequate security measures have already been factored as part of activities lined up for this solemn occasion. Your Excellencies, very senior officers, distinguished guests, may I at this juncture invite the special guest of honor, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President and Commander-in-Chief, Armed Forces, Federal Republic of Nigeria, to kindly please proceed to lay the wreath. Your Excellency, Mr. President, sir. Dignitaries may please be seated. Next to lay a wreath at this solemn event is His Excellency the Vice President, Senator Kashim Shettima. Your Excellency the Vice President, please. Next to lay wreaths at this ceremony are the Senate President, Distinguished Senator Godswill Akpabio, and the Right Honorable Speaker, House of Representatives, Right Honorable Tajuddin Abbas. May I request His Excellency, the Chairman, Nigerian Governors Forum, Malam Abdurrahman Abdulrazak, the Executive Governor of Kwara State, to kindly please lay a wreath on behalf of Governors of the Federation. Your Excellency, please. May I invite the Honorable Minister of Defense, Muhammad Badr Abubakar, to please lay a wreath at this solemn event on behalf of all ministers. The Honorable Minister, sir. May I please request the Chief of Defense Staff, General C.G. Musa, to kindly please lay a wreath. The Chief of Defense Staff, sir. May I request the Acting Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General O.O. Liede, to kindly please lay a wreath at this solemn event. May I kindly request the Chief of Naval Staff, Vice Admiral E.I. Ogala, to kindly please lay a wreath at this solemn event. The Chief of Naval Staff, sir. Next to lay a wreath at this solemn event is the Chief of the Air Staff. The Chief of the Air Staff, Air Marshal H.B. Abubakar, to kindly please lay a wreath at this solemn ceremony. Next to lay a wreath at this solemn event is the Inspector General of Police. Inspector General of Police Kaide Betokun, to kindly please lay a wreath at this solemn event. And finally, to lay a wreath at this ceremony, may I request the next of kin of our dearly departed late Chief of Army Staff to kindly please lay a wreath at this solemn event. Your Excellency, the special guest of honor, specially invited guests, senior officers, both serving and retired, distinguished guests. Next is the firing of the ceremonial volley. Before I request the burial party to commence with the proceedings, may I once again humbly request that we please rise in honor of our dearly departed colleague, officers and warrant officers in uniform, and to salute at the release of each volley shot. The firing party commander, please carry on. May I once again humbly remind us, please, not to panic at the firing of ceremonial volleys at this event. The special guest of honor, very senior officers. Next is the 19-gun salute. May I crave our kind indulgence to please remain standing while we observe the 19-gun salute in honor of our dearly departed late Chief of Army Staff. May I once again please request we please not panic at the firing of shots. Officers and warrant officers in uniform to also salute at the release of each of the volley gun shots. The artillery detachment commander, please carry on. Thank you, Artillery Battery Commander. Your Excellency, various senior officers, distinguished guests. Next, the program is the reveal. May I please request we please remain standing as we observe the reveal, which signifies the beginning of new life for our dearly departed colleague. Officers and warrant officers in uniform are please reminded to salute. Overhead, the sound of the overhead are the sound of the Huey UH-1H helicopters, which were recently operationalized in the Nigerian Army Aviation. The integration of the Hueys into the Nigerian Army operations has significantly enhanced the operational capabilities of the Nigerian Army, providing reliable and versatile platforms for reconnaissance, rapid troop deployment, logistics supply, as well as medical evacuation and casualty evacuation, amongst others. As part of today's solemn event, it is an honor to present the fly past display of the Huey helicopter November Alpha 010, flag streaming a picture in honor of our revered late Chief of Army Staff by skilled Nigerian Army Aviation flight crew. This fly past by Nigerian Army Aviation is to give tribute and pay last respects to our dearly departed late Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Taoreed Lagbaja, CFR, Nigerian Army Medal, for his remarkable contributions to the Nigerian Army. Burial Party Commander, please carry on. May I please request officers and warrant officers in uniform to kindly please salute. May I kindly request we please take our seats. Thank you, sir.